Are you excited for 240 crayons from Crayola? I'm excited to show this to you today. Do you guys love my lovely backdrop? I just built it. That video is coming out next week. So I'm Jenny from Jenny's Crayon Collection. I help you find the coolest art supplies, both old and new, as you can see. In back of here, I'm so happy to have it. This is the 168 right here, and this is the 240. And you can see that they have the same design, which I think is super neat. But we'll show you the difference today. So I already did a video on this one, the 168, but today we're gonna do a video on the 240, so you guys can see exactly what those are. I'm really excited today, especially for this background. Do you guys love it? I was like I have been waiting for this for a year. I'm so excited to be able to put all my crayons out. Here we have the 240 tub. We're gonna open it on both of these. On the corner, you open it right here, then you pull up. So first glance, we have a ton of crayons in here. We have this cute little thing, cute little spacer that you can also color on, which is really cool. Then we have our boxes of crayons. We're gonna go through these. These are our fluorescents. Oh, and look, we have another box of fluorescents. Here's the secret. This is a duplicate box. So even though it's 240, it's really only 120 of the same crayon. Here is our standard sleeve of crayons. Still really cute. These are duplicates within the box itself. Some random colors. These are, I think these would be from the 120. Another box of 120. These are from 120 also. Vivid Tangerine, some of those. And we will put those right here. This one, Tickle Me Pink, Robin's Egg Blue. And then where is this? They even come in the same order. It's got a little squeezed because they were in the corner. This one is a Timberwolf, Beautiful, right here. And then these ones, Raw Sienna, Salmon. And those are the duplicates. The box is super nice. The tub is super nice. It keeps them all in there. It's really cute to look at. You can draw on the crayon boxes. That's super nice also. But the big question is, should you get the 240 or should you get the 168? You should get the 168. The 168 comes with all of these crayons. Plus, it comes with 32 specialty crayons and 24 colors of the world crayons. So don't get the, no, you can still get the 240. It would be a lot of fun to play with. If you're looking for 240 different colored crayons, I would not recommend getting the 240. I get asked this a lot of times about the 200 crayon box. This one just barely came out, so people haven't asked about the 240 as much. They always ask me about the 200, and I say I haven't bought it because I don't want to spend the money on it, honestly, because I have a ton of crayons, and I just don't need more crayons. But I bought this one because I'm a collector, and I wanted to get both of the boxes because they were matching. So if you're looking for the 200 or the 240 box, the biggest tub that you can get now is going to be the 168 box of crayons. I'm not going to sort these today. I just wanted to go over what this box was and what crayons are in here. I just wanted to go over what crayon sleeves are in here and what the box will look like. So let's put all of these back. How we found them. The duplicate one was here. you're looking for something fun to get, it still is a really fun box to get. It just won't be 240 separate crayons. It's still really pretty though. It's brand new this year. I'm hoping eventually they will put out all of the specialty crayons. Instead of in here, they only did 8 of each of the specialty crayons, and there's somewhat like 24, give or take a little bit, of each of the specialty crayons. So those are metallic. I will show you from this box. Okay, I've already sorted all of these ones to be what in color order. So we have pearl. This is what the pearl are. This is glitter right here, and they all have names, which is super nice. This is metallic. And I want to see if I can see metallic. There's confetti. I will go look. Let's see. Confetti's gonna have like a pink or white. This is Colors of the World. That comes in the 168 box. It's totally in the wrong place. Let's find these confetti ones. Here is the confetti crayon. I'm hoping eventually they'll put like all the confetti, all the glitter, everything, and we'll have a huge crayon box. That's what I'm hoping, crossing my fingers for. Let me know if you guys like this video. Do you guys like what came in the 240 box? Do you think it's worth it? This is $25 on Amazon. Give or take, sometimes it's like $5 off. For Prime Days, it was $5 off. So I'm assuming for like Black Friday, it'll be about $20. So do you guys think this is worth it, or are you just gonna buy 120 crayons? I think the tub is super pretty, and it has this carrying thing so you can carry your crayons around. So just having it for that sake is pretty neat. Because you know, eventually, if you're getting this for kiddos, these are all going to be out, and it'd be a great place just to dump all the crayons into. But it just depends if you want to spend that much on a tub that you can dump out. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you rather get the 240 or the 168 crayons? And stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be how I put these shelves together and I put my crayon collection up. Well, when I say crayon collection, I mean my art collection. It's more like an art collection, art supplies collection. The crayons I'm actually keeping in boxes in the closet because I don't want the boxes to get destroyed with the sunlight. But I will have them out sometimes. I'll bring those out for the videos, and I'll let you know about that next week. So stay tuned for next week. It's going to be a fun video.